Watson and I are sharing our spring favorites in today's video. Hello everyone, Jennifer and Watson here, and we have a spring favorites video for you today. I've got lots of lovely springy things to share with you. Everything from bathing suits to soaps and spring cleaning products. So I'm excited to share it all with you. Are you awake? Yes. Watson, by the way, is just such an absolute dream. He and I are besties, as you can imagine, and he's still a puppy. I just wanted to say that, like, he's quite young still, and I still can't take him out in public, which means he also cannot see the groomer. But as soon as he can see the groomer, he is going to go. But he's so cute. He's a Yorkshire Terrier. And I don't know if you know this, but Yorkshire Terriers change color as puppies. They kind of transition to what's called tan and blue. And so he's going through that transition right now, where he's losing his little black hair, which is sad because I think it's so cute. But yeah, I absolutely love him. He is just the most wonderful companion. And he's just very majestic, and we adore him. So anyway, just wanted to sing Watson's praises. Before we jump into the spring favorites, I invite you to check out my new book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home. The cover is very springy on this book. There's so many beautiful flowers and a lovely, beautiful living room. And the whole book is about living well at home and full of ideas on how you can do that. So I will leave my new book as well as my other books linked in the description box below. Okay, so let's jump into the first favorite, which is a body care brand. It is woman-owned, and they are from Naples, Florida, and it is called the Naples Soap Company. They are a woman-owned small business from Naples, Florida, and they have gorgeous body care items. They have natural soaps, and here I have fresh coconut, lavender and buds, and goat's milk, oatmeal, and berry. Their soaps are high quality. They smell so good, and they have a wonderful texture to them. I also have here the Florida Citrus Cane Sugar and Salt Body Scrub. I love this scrub. It smells divine, and I love using this at night in my long baths where, you know, I like to read my books and just absolutely luxuriate in the bath. So I will apply this body scrub in circular motions all over my skin, and it just moisturizes my skin, exfoliates, and the scent is so good. They also have candles. This is the Seaside Candle, and it has notes of ocean air, jasmine, and orange. So this is an overall lovely brand, and they would make a great gift for Mother's Day or anything like that, and also a good thing to gift yourself as well. Swim season is almost upon us, so I have a new to me bathing suit brand that I wanted to share with you, and they are called Albion Fit. They are a women's swimwear, lifestyle, and fitness brand, and they have amazing bathing suit options. They have lots of separates that you can mix and match depending on what you like. And it was hard for me to choose a bathing suit from them because I liked so much, but here is what I went with for this season. This is the Berry Stripe Bella Crop Top and the Berry Stripe High-Waisted Swim Skirt. So they also have tankini tops, they have high-waisted briefs and bikini bottoms. They have rash guards. They have so many different combinations, and I also love their prints. And I ended up choosing this one because, you know, I love a good circus theme. But I think that the crop top looks super cute with this high-waisted skirt. So I love this paired together. It feels very covered, but also whimsical and perfect for the hot weather. Let's talk about sleepwear now, because Printfresh is one of my favorite pajama brands. I love their pajamas, particularly love their Daydream nightgown. I love wearing this in the spring, summer months, and I have a few different prints of this, but they came out with Rabbit Wonderland. And if you know anything about me, you know that I'm obsessed with Alice in Wonderland. So this is a white rabbit themed print. and just so many nods to Alice in this print, and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to share this with you. Even if you're not obsessed with Alice in Wonderland like I am, they have so many other amazing spring pajamas, and I just love their whimsical and fun prints. I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is LMNT. And you know, I've been drinking LMNT for a long time, and today I wanted to share their 12-ounce sparkling beverages with you. LMNT is a zero sugar electrolyte drink mix and sparkling electrolyte drink. They now have their 12-ounce sparkling cans. They are formulated for a 12-ounce serving. These tasty slim cans deliver 500 milligrams of sodium, 100 milligrams of potassium, and 30 milligrams of magnesium. They have refreshing new flavors for the workday, the weekend, and every sip in between. Sparkling is available in 4 different flavors right now: black cherry salt, lemonade salt, orange salt, and pineapple salt. LMNT is formulated for anyone on a mission to restore health through hydration. It is a critical part of daily routines for everyday health seekers like me, all the way to health experts and even Olympians. I love taking LMNT because, as you know, I do intermittent fasting, and it is very important for me to replenish my electrolytes in a safe way. So I love it for that. So you can claim a free sample pack with LMNT's most popular flavors with any purchase when you visit drinklmnt.com/dailyc. That's drinklmnt.com/dailyc. Spring cleaning is a big part of the season, and I have 2 natural cleaning brands to share with you today. These are wonderful alternatives to the more popular brands that you see at most of the stores. I think you're gonna love these, especially the ingredients. So the first one is from Meliora. This is women owned, and all of their cleaning products are made without harsh chemicals. They're easy to use, effective on all hard surfaces in your kitchen, bathroom, and beyond. They use only Made Safe certified ingredients and list them on the label. These are made in the USA and ultra concentrated. Okay, so here I have the Lavender Laundry Powder Detergent. This is a lovely, gentle detergent, and it has a delicate lavender scent. It's really delightful. And then this is their Peppermint Tea Tree Gentle Home Cleansing Scrub. I love how this smells. It's very gentle. You could use this on your bathtub, you know, and not worry about like some harsh chemical the next time you take a bath, like seeping in it. You know what I mean? I love this scrub. They have an all-purpose home cleaner. This comes with a tablet inside that dissolves, and you just add hot water to it. So this cleaner is unscented. If you're the type of person who does not want scent in your cleaning products, this would be great for you. And they even have a soap stick that is a gentle laundry stain remover. So I will leave Meliora and my discount code for them down below. And then the second brand I want to share with you for spring cleaning is Koala Eco. And I featured them in my holiday gift guide, and they have wonderful cleaning products. If you like the scent of essential oils, you will like these. Okay, so the Koala Eco products are eco-friendly. They're 100% plant-based, non-toxic, and they are made with Australian essential oils. So here I'm showing you the multi-purpose kitchen cleaner, the glass cleaner, and the floor cleaner. These products are great because I feel like they're so beautiful, first of all. I love how they look, the packaging, and they also have an amazing scent. So if you do like scent in your cleaning products, you like that essential oil scent, you'll like these a lot. And so these types of things just make spring cleaning so much more enjoyable, in my opinion. The next favorite is great if you want to save money by not going to the coffee shop as much, but you want to create coffee house experiences at home. And I have a brand for you called Skinny Mixes. These are 0-calorie, 0-sugar syrups that you can put in your teas, your coffees, your water, your margaritas, and yeah, they're really good. So for example, here I have some lavender syrup, pistachio latte syrup, and classic vanilla. For the lavender, I made an iced green tea and I added a tablespoon of the lavender syrup, and it was so delightful. Then here I'm making an iced coconut pistachio latte. So I add some espresso to a glass filled with ice, and then I top it with coconut milk. And I add 2 tablespoons of pistachio latte syrup, and it was so good. So they have lots of different flavors. You could come up with any number of combinations that you like, and I think that they're great for your pantry, just when you want that sweet drink, but you don't want the calories or the sugar. All right, you know that I love toys. I am a big child at heart still. I like dolls, I like teddy bears, and I absolutely love the Get a Hug bears. And my son and I love to unbox these blind boxes each season. We just did a Valentine's one, and they have a fruit themed blind box. I think that these would be so great for Easter baskets or just any kind of special spring-like gift. So we unboxed them, and lo and behold, my son got the avocado and I got the banana bear. So we love these, and one of my daughters likes to put them on her backpack for school. So they're great. I absolutely love the Get-A-Hugs. They just bring me so much joy. I recently shared my spring TBR on the channel and let you know about all the books I'm reading for spring. And one of the nonfiction books is particularly springy, and it's called The Wisdom of Walking in Nature by Allison Davies. 50 Mindful and Therapeutic Ways to Enjoy Any Walk. And this is published by Rizzoli. It is a gorgeous illustrated guide, and I think it would make a lovely gift, but also it's just lovely to have, you know, for yourself. But this book has been so enjoyable to flip through, and I am someone who loves going on walks. I try to go on one almost every day, and it just reinvigorates your love of walking, and I really feel like it helps me notice nature around me more. And it's just like a perfect spring book. So if you're looking to add a great nonfiction book to your spring TBR, I think that this would be great, because we could all spend more time appreciating nature on our walks, and this has so many mindful ways to do that. Let's talk about spring manicures, and I love seeing the colors that Londontown comes out with each season, and their spring collection does not disappoint. It is called Bubbly Ever After, and here are the 4 shades. There's Cloud 9, which is a sheer and dreamy periwinkle. Extra Bubbles Please, which is a sheer and shimmering mauve gold. Dream State, which is a demi-sheer cool pink. And Milk Bath, which is a demi-sheer cream infused with soap bubble iridescence. So these were quite surprising to me. They all are slightly pastel. I love the blue one, which is very unusual because I don't normally like blue on myself, but I think that this periwinkle is just so dreamy. And I love the kind of like milky quality of all of these shades. So anyway, love these. Let me know which shade is your favorite in the comments down below. The next thing I want to share with you are the Day Designer Academic Planners. So this is the time of year when the academic planners for the next school year come out, and I love to give these to my daughters. So these are the 2 planners that I'm giving to them for the 2026-2027 school year. Don't you love these covers? My daughters love them too. It just helps them feel excited about staying on top of their schoolwork, and they really do use them. So I encourage them to get used to using a planner by writing their assignments, everything they need to know down, and we just love them. So the wonderful thing about the Day Designers is that there's a quote on each page, and I think that that is so inspiring. Also, just a reminder that Day Designer have gorgeous accessories as well, like notebooks and clip folios. So just wonderful to keep on your planning game. I know a lot of people really enjoyed my last planner video. I am coming out with a new one, and don't worry, it's coming. Like, it's gonna be for April though, because I just had so much to share in the month of March. I continue to enjoy my new hobby of puzzling, and every day I spend time puzzling. Sometimes it's just like 10 minutes, sometimes it's an hour. But I just love having a puzzle going at all times. And of course, having puzzles that are on point seasonally helps too. So these are the puzzles I've been doing lately. The Secret Garden puzzle, my friends, we didn't finish it. I had to DNF it. It was so hard. I was able to get the scenes, but the border, all of the flowers, honestly, I was at what's the word? I'm not even sure. I was stuck. I could not progress, so I decided to not finish it and I put it back. Maybe I'll go back to it when I'm a more experienced puzzler, but that one was so hard, okay? But I have two that I'm looking to work on for spring, and I'm currently working on this puzzle by Springbok that has these pretty little fruit houses. It's such like a fruit theme with like the fruit get-a-hugs, the fruit puzzle. And I'm really enjoying this one. I love the Springbok puzzle. It's very satisfying to put in each piece. And then I have a puzzle that is like more Eastery with these bunnies. And I believe this one's by Gallison, and I can't wait to do that. So I'm going to be doing that after I finish the Springbok puzzle. And those are my puzzles. I'm sure there'll be many more. And I have some White Mountain puzzles as well that we plan to complete. So I will leave my puzzles and my puzzle board down below. Okay, and the last favorite is so random, but I was watching this review on Instagram for Fishwife sardines. And you know, I love sardines. I don't know if you know this about me, but we always have sardines. I like sardines and smoked oysters. There's just something about tinned fish that I love. And right now, tinned fish is having a moment. Like, everybody is talking about the benefits of tinned fish. So anyway, I saw Fishwife and I decided to buy their sample pack, and it came, and I'm like, whoa, it is so good. My daughters and I have been really enjoying it. I'll show you how we've been enjoying it. We like to have an avocado, and then we will put the tinned fish on top. So I've done smoked salmon so far, and I believe this is the smoked rainbow trout. And so we'll put the tinned fish on top, and then on top of that, a bit of sauerkraut. And we love this, like for breakfast especially. So I think that it is like supremely healthy and it tastes so good, and I just love it. So anyway, I don't have a relationship with Fishwife, so unfortunately I don't have a discount code for you, but I'll leave them down below. And if you like tinned fish, I think you'll like these a lot. Thank you so much for joining us for our spring favorites. If you have any spring favorites that you would like to share, please leave them in the comment section down below. And thank you to LMNT for sponsoring. You can claim a free sample pack with LMNT's most popular flavors with any purchase when you visit drinkelement.com/dailyc. That's DRINKLMNT.com/dailyc. And from Watson and I, we wish you a very happy spring. Cheers, everyone.